Welcome to NKE Austria. We keep your world in motion. As part of the international Fersa Group, we have over 80 years of experience in the design, manufacturing and distribution of high-quality bearings for a variety of applications. Our global footprint includes 4 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, 17 distribution and logistics centres, and 3 research and development centres in Europe and Asia. Furthermore, you can acquire our premium quality products from over 250 authorised distributors worldwide. And in addition, we're available 24/7 through our webshop. Every day, our employees keep your world moving. In the office, in production and through logistics, we make the difference to change the industrial world and provide innovation and quality. As NKE Austria, we are proud to be based in Upper Austria and to have our roots in the city of Steyr. Our Made in Austria bearings stand for highest quality and innovative spirit. Every single component is manufactured as a precision product by our worldwide production network and according to the highest quality standards. The critical processes and quality inspection takes place exclusively in Steyr. Our modern manufacturing machines are suitable for all bearing types. Sustainability is a major concern for us. That is why we focus on sustainable solutions, because sustainable solutions mean sustainable success. But how do we keep your world in motion? Without us, this, and this stand still. With our bearings, all this takes motion. All this is possible because our employees are highly trained specialists. In addition to a modern workplace, we also provide great and varied benefits. Together, we go the extra mile and develop and research new and sustainable bearing solutions for our future generations in order to exceed our customers' expectations. We are NKE Austria. We keep your world in motion and are experts in bearing solutions.